Got a 98 Bobcat 4x4 water Caterpillar front bucket. We're using this video right here to show you that the front bucket works real well. It tilts forward. It's got a couple other bucket heads for the back dig on it. Looks like might be a 12 to 18 inch and a 24 inch. It is 4-wheel drive. It's this thing for a 98. The back supports work. For a 98, it only has a little over 2,000 operational hours. For the back dig, it's got the extension boom, which is awesome, which means it goes even further out. Everything is operational and good. This thing is ready for work. Everything's gonna work out good. Yeah, this is gonna be a great buy for a 98 model. This thing is got a lot of work life left in it. So give us a call here at Day Brothers RV Sales, located in London, Kentucky, at 606-877-1530.